Hi everyone. Welcome to my programming course. Today, we're going to talk about loops in programming. In general, loops are used to perform the same action multiple times, which helps to shorten the code. One of these loops is the for loop, which has a structure like this. First, the initial iteration value is set, then the condition that determines how long the loop will run is specified. As soon as the condition is no longer true, the loop stops executing. After this condition, an increment or decrement is specified. Finally, the code that will be executed if the condition is true is placed within the loop's body. As we can see, using the loop, we printed the value of the variable 4 times in the console by using a single command within the loop. Here, the variable I increased by 4 times during the loop's execution. The next loop is the while loop, which has a slightly different structure. Here, the initial value of the loop is declared before the while keyword. After the while keyword, the condition that determines how long the loop will run is placed in parentheses. The increment or decrement is written inside the loop's body, as you can see on the screen now. This loop has output the exact same information as the previous loop. The next loop is the do-while loop. This loop differs from the previous two in that it will always execute at least once because the condition is checked at the end of the loop. Here, the word do is written first, and in the loop body, the commands to be executed are specified. After this, outside the loop body, the condition is checked using while. The increment or decrement is placed in the body of the do loop. So, even if the condition is initially false, the loop will still execute the specified actions in its body during the first iteration, and only then will the condition be checked. If the condition is false, the second iteration will not occur because the condition will have been checked. Now you can see on the screen that although the condition is not met, the loop will still execute. The last type of loop is the for each loop, which is most commonly used for arrays and lists, topics we'll cover in upcoming lessons. In this loop, there's no need to specify a termination condition. The structure is different. In the loop's parentheses, a variable is declared, followed by a colon, and then the name of the array or list is specified. This structure instructs the loop to iterate over the elements of the specified array or list. As we can see, all 3 numbers from the specified array were printed, after which the loop stopped executing. Now, to reinforce what we've learned, let's write code to calculate the sum of adding 4 numbers. We will use a for loop, create a variable to which the new number will be added in the loop, and then after the loop finishes, our calculated sum will be displayed on the screen. Here, sum equals I is a shorthand form that means the new current number is added to the previous value stored in the sum variable. By adding the first 4 numbers together, we get a sum of 10, which is what we obtained. So, loops are essential when we need to perform the same action multiple times. Each piece of code within a loop is executed sequentially, one after the other. Now, try writing your own code using these loops. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next lessons.